Hey everyone, Eric here. Today we're going to talk about an inside closure strip. Inside closure strips are installed on the underside of the roof steel at the eave line or the sidewall of the building. To install, you simply remove the adhesive strip. You can see a layer of glue there. Place that on the eave girt or fascia board. Lay the panel down on top of it, and then you will end up screwing right through that closure strip onto that eave girt or fascia board. The purpose of inside closure strips is to provide some protection against insects entering through some of these high ribs. Also provides a tighter seal. They're just a foam closure strip, quick to install, and that's an inside closure strip.